First step is you need to finish editing your video in your video editing tool. Here I am using Davinci Resolve, but you can use any video editing tool. I'll just export my video. So I'm just choosing the YouTube format to finish the exporting the video. The video export is done. So you can see the video is exported here. So now comes the main part. So how to generate the subtitle. What I am going to show you is totally free. You no need to pay a single penny. And yes, the funny part is it is very simple, and that tool is always in front of our eyes, but we never used it. Believe it or not, this is the YouTube. I am going to use YouTube to generate the subtitle for my video. So the second step is I have opened the YouTube. I'll upload the video which I just now exported. So now I am uploading the video. So remember guys, you can keep all the parameters by default, because anyway we are not going to publish the video. Choose the default options. And okay, the visibility here, just keep it private, because we are just going to generate the subtitle, and after that we are going to delete this video. So just let it private and save it. So the video upload is done. Let's go inside the content, press details. So inside details, let's go to the left panel inside subtitles. So inside subtitle we can see there is no subtitle generation done, because we need to do one more step. I'll show you what is the step. So let's open the video and go to the settings. Inside settings we can see the subtitle is off, so let's make it on. Choose English auto generated. Now we can see English auto generation is started. So now let's go to the left side and press the subtitle. You can see there is a one English automatic video subtitle is generated. Yes guys, the subtitle generation is done completely free by our own YouTube. So now let's go here and you can see the download option. Press download. You can see .vtt, .srt and .svp. Three formats are there. We'll just download the .srt file. Okay, the download is done. Also, if you want to, before download, if you want to edit your subtitle, this will show you the full text, and you can press the edit timings. Then you can see your subtitle with the timings. You can change the sentence, or you can check the spelling mistakes, or whatever you want to edit and save it. For my video, no need, everything is perfect. So I'm closing it. I'm not doing any editing. So we have already downloaded the subtitle file. Let's add the subtitle file here now. You can go to the file. In the file, go to the import. In import, you can see the subtitle. Just click it, select the subtitle .srt file, just double click it, and it will come here. Just drag and drop in your timeline, and that's it guys, it's done. So you can see this is already sync with our video, because this subtitle is generated for this exact video in the YouTube. So subtitle, all the timings and everything is already in sync with the video. So now if I play, you can see, let's check the subtitle. So you can check the already the subtitle is here. Now I'll show you some more editing options. You can go one subtitle file, and here you can see the text. If you want to change your text or sentence or some spelling mistakes, you can edit it here. Go to the track. In the track, you can change the font. By default it is Open Sans. You can change the font whatever you want. Then you can change the font face, you can change the color. Let's change the color to green. You can change the size. Many various settings, editing options are there in Davinci already. Suppose you want to use the background color, so just by default background is not there, you can switch it on, and then you can use the background color as a whatever color you want to use. I'll use black color. Now suppose this subtitle is little bit in middle. You want to make it, you want to move it little bit below. So let's go to the transform. In transform, you can see the position X and Y. So you can place it left or right. Let it keep it in the middle. This is for zooming. You can make it big, small. Let's move it a little bit below. So that's it, guys. It is done. Now next, let's go to the next step. So when you will do the export, so during export, let's choose the H.264 master option. But here you need to remember one thing. There is, you can see the subtitle settings. You can go to the subtitle settings and you need to choose the export subtitle. So now here the option is you can export the subtitle file as a separate subtitle file. You have different format, you have SRT, so it will export the SRT file as a separate, or you can burn it inside the video. You can choose burn into video, so there will be no separate SRT file will be generated. It will be already burnt inside your video. So once you export it, so let's export. Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you step by step how to improve your. So that's it guys. If you like my tutorial video, please subscribe my channel